It's fascinating how the more time goes by, the faster things change. Good morning, everybody. This is Josh Ezell, Breakthrough Real Estate and Property Management. Hope you're having a fantastic day. It's incredible how we live in a world of constant change and progression. The world of information that we live in is exponentially better than it was in the past. So, as realtors, as real estate professionals, how do we do this? How do we use this to our advantage? Well, number one, don't be scared of the technology. Embrace the technology. I hate to say it, but if you're not utilizing all the tech that we have today to your advantage to help your clients provide better service, better follow-up, be on the cutting edge, if you're not looking for that next cool thing that you're going to be able to utilize in your business, you're going to be left behind. And I hate to say it, but once you're left behind, it's going to be harder and harder and harder for you to catch back up and even get ahead again eventually. We live in such an amazing society. What we have today that we're actually fighting against in our industry didn't even exist 5 years ago. And 5 years prior to that, it was a completely different market. The only thing constant in the real estate industry by far is the change. And the change is amazing. Let's use it, let's embrace it, let's be the best people and realtors we can be to offer the best service to our clients and have the best life for ourselves and our families. Have a great day. I'll talk to you later.